This is the heart of Korean shoemaking, where tradition meets technology. Here you will see the meticulous journey of crafting leather shoes in Korea, a process that begins with skilled hands and culminates in precise machinery.
The traditional handmade process.
Our story begins in a traditional workshop, such as the historic Songlim Handmade Shoe Store, established in 1936. Here, the process is as personal as it is precise. Each pair of shoes starts with measuring the customer's foot. Artisans use detailed plastering techniques to capture the unique contours of the foot, creating a custom mold that will guide every subsequent step. Once the mold is perfected, the artisan selects premium leather, typically sourced from cow, pig, or sheep hide. Historically, materials like horsehide or deerskin were also prized. The leather is then carefully cut into pieces, with each pattern designed to match the foot's shape. Skilled hands guide the cutting process with the same passion and precision that has been passed down through generations. Next comes one of the most critical stages, stitching. Traditional Korean shoemakers often use needles made from boar bristles, not the modern metal type, to provide the flexibility needed for the intricate work. In some cases, up to 72 individual steps are involved in making a single pair of shoes, with every stitch and seam contributing to the shoe's overall durability and comfort. The upper parts are then combined and meticulously molded to form the complete shape, with the final assembly including the attachment of handcrafted soles. This time-honored process can take as long as a week to perfect a single pair.
Celebrating the cultural heritage.
In Korea, shoemaking isn't just a craft. It's a cherished cultural heritage. Known as the work of Wahayajang, the art of crafting these traditional shoes has been recognized as an important intangible cultural property since 2004. Unlike Western footwear, Korean shoes are symmetrical design. A single pattern is used for both feet, with the softness of the leather gradually conforming to each wearer's unique shape. Decorative touches such as ribbons, laces, or ornamental silk uppers further highlight the artistry behind these designs.
Transition to modern factory.
As time honors tradition while welcoming innovation, the process of shoemaking has evolved. In modern Korean factories, like those featured in the excellent dress shoes mass production process, the foundations of quality remain constant, but the methods are enhanced by technology. Advanced machinery now takes over tasks that require speed and uniformity, all while preserving the refined touch of age-old techniques. In a factory, the leather first undergoes careful tanning and preparation. Then computerized cutting tools replicate the intricate patterns originally perfected by hand. Automated sewing machines, often complemented by manual quality checks, execute thousands of precise stitches, ensuring that every seam meets the high standards reminiscent of traditional handcrafting. Despite the mechanization, experts still inspect each pair rigorously at multiple stages, ensuring that the elegance and comfort characteristic of Korean shoes are never compromised.
The final assembly and quality assurance.
Whether produced by hand or on a modern assembly line, the final stages of Korean shoemaking are a blend of art and precision. The sole is attached with meticulous care, and each pair undergoes a thorough inspection. This quality control ensures that the inherent comfort stemming from the leather's natural flexibility is preserved. The result is a pair of shoes that not only honors a storied tradition, but also meets the demands of today's sophisticated consumer.
Final stage.
Our exploration today has taken us from the intimate setting of a traditional workshop, where every shoe is a unique work of art, to the modern factory floor, where technology and heritage coalesce to produce world-class leather footwear. In every stitch, every cut, and every molding, the enduring spirit of Korean craftsmanship shines through. This was the step-by-step journey into the creation of Korean leather shoes. I hope you enjoyed this interesting journey, and if you did, please appreciate us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.